Today we are going to look at a new vending machine specially designed for selling OTC medicine. 2-inch touch screen, bill validator, coin changer, and receipt printer. There are 5 floor goods trays. Each goods tray have 24 slots. You can just combine different slots into one by push up and take off this partition board. Let's see how the machine works. Select the products, pay. Now, product has been delivered. Press refund to get the change and get your receipt. If you want to know more information about our machine, please contact us or visit our website.